On Monday, Modi slogan was raised at Ompi Twisamairang too. On this day's victory rally organized at Thalsora of Twisamairang under Ompi constituency was attended by BJP Vice President Patal Kanya Jamatia as a chief guest. Once again, an alliance of opposition party has become empty. Once again, BJP has sat on the throne of government by winning an election with highest numbers of votes at 3 states. The result of 3 different places has shown that, The results of 3 different places has shown that on the coming Lok Sabha election of 2024, BJP will sit on the throne of government again in the central. And in the celebration of BJP winning the election in 3 states on Monday, the victory rally was held at Thalsora of Twisamairang under Ompi constituency. The victory rally was attended by BJP Vice President Patal Kanya Jamatia as a chief guest. Under the initiatives of BJP Vice President Patal Kanya Jamatia, a slogan of Modi was raised at Ompi Twisamairang area 2.
अरे ताल जोड़ा BJP अरे ओम BJP अरे बांकुरा अरे उदयपुरा BJP अरे तेलंगाना अरे हमला करा BJP अरे तुमला करा BJP बंदे भारत माता की BJP छत्तीसगढ़ हाइवे कप्लाई माने बागै तिनी जतो सारा देश न जतो खतम खाजाखलाई मुडी न त्यही कप्लाई खैनानि बागै साइतो गजा आबे बा खाखायो ओतियारी माइरां आमसेनि बरंग त्यही सारा त्रिपुरानि बरंग बसकागो मुडी न जतो फान्डमै नखंने हामारे नानानि निरो रोंनाय रोंयां खानखे हामारे केप्लेगि बिख्राबा बिख्रा खांग्राबा खांग्रानो बसाबोतै मुंसा सुजुगमै खलायै हाइनो ओ बक्सा खलायै बस्ता बक्सा खाबाय तंजानाय हिरो आबे बागैनो आसंनो साराय दिनैनि ओ बिजय रेलिंगो जतलो खाका हामिया फारो देशबासिनो त्रिपुराबासिनो मोदीनि सामुंनो कप्लाय तेइबो खायनानि बागै जों फानदलायबानि बागै जतलो हामबाय भारत माता की जय BJP जिंदाबाद मोदी जी जिंदाबाद.
BJP Vice President Patal Kanya Jamatia spoke a few words, speaking allegedly against the opposition parties in the program of Victory Rally. Reported by Amit from Ompi, Chini Khorang.